Amber, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for joining me. This is going to be another simple video. I love looking at a paper collection and seeing the most I can get out of it. So I have this She's Magic paper collection by Dear Lizzie. So I don't know if you guys purchased this size, but this is the 6x8 paper pad that comes with the collection. And I was just looking through this and I was like, these would make really adorable note cards. And so I was thinking about using the more patterny sheets in here and making some 4x6 note cards. If you take the 6x8 page, fold it in half, it becomes 4x6. And then we can make some really fun envelopes with the double-sided 12x12 paper. So I was really excited to try that out. And I have a lot of the elements. I have the die cuts, these really, really pretty stickers, the puppy stickers, and then of course the cardstock stickers. So thinking we could just have fun, use some washi tape, and make a bunch of note cards and envelopes and decorate them with this stuff here. So I've explained in a video before, I think I did a couple years ago, mass-produced cards with a crepe paper collection. I'll link it right here. It's one of my favorite videos, and it's because I did an assembly line style for the cards. I wanted to make a bunch with the paper and a bunch of envelopes. So we're going to start out with this little paper pad and see how many 4x6 note cards we can get. So let's get started. Okay, so we have 14 beautiful sheets to make 14 cards. So now all we have to do is very simple and just trim off that strip. And you can actually save the strip if you want. So I'm going to go to 8 inches just to make sure we're getting a true 8 inches. So this is one of my best tips to use your washi tape. You can just get your washi and pick little combinations. So like maybe 3 or 4 of them. Okay, so that's the combo I chose for this one. And then let's pick some for this one. Okay, so for this one I've chosen these 3 colors. So let's just see what we can do with the washi. And I use my craft mat. And then I also reinforce it with some extra adhesive so that way it's permanent. Especially if you're using it to decorate something. So I'm going to lay some washi out, and I can always trim this down and cut it. And then I'll take the navy one to break those 2 up, which looks super, super nice. Okay, so now we've got our washi combo right here. Okay, so those are the 2 kinds of cards that I'm going to be making. Some vertical ones and then some horizontal ones. So I think the last finishing touch that I want to add to these is one of the puppy stickers. So again, this is a way that you can use up the elements in a collection and kind of have it like a mass-producing assembly line style. Oh, but before I do that, I want to add one of these stickers, just like I did here, to this card. Let's see, so this says, "You are made of magic." I'm going to add some extra adhesive to this right here. I think that these are super cute and that paper collection is beautiful. So okay, let's add one of these cute stickers on here just so I know it will be permanent. And I think I'll add it right. Should I add it there or there? I think there. Super cute. And then this one, I will probably add the rainbow. Oh my gosh, these are super cute. I love these cute little artistic rainbows. A bit of extra adhesive, and I'm going to add the rainbow right there. It's like a watercolor rainbow. How cute. Okay, so again, there's a look at the cards. So I'm going to go through and do this to all of my card bases, and then we're going to come back and make some really fun envelopes to go with these. So I'm going to be working with my favorite tool, the envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm just going to grab one of my pattern papers. So I'm going to grab this cute pattern paper here from the collection, and I'm going to take my punch board, and since we're doing a 4x6 card, you just look on here to see the card size, 4x6, and it says 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. So I'm just going to cut my paper down to 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. There we go. So now we've got a perfectly square piece of scrapbook paper, and just remember to save these scraps that you come up with. As you can see, I have a ton of them here from all the envelopes I made, and it says here that your score line should be 3 3/8. So I'm gonna move this all the way over to 3 3/8 right there, and then you punch, take the score tool and score. So you're gonna score in that groove, then you turn it, line your score line up with this lever right here, punch and score, and do the same thing for the other two punches. Line it up, punch and score, and one more time, punch and score. So then you want to just move it to the back here and round these corners with the back of the little punch. Ooh, I think that side's really pretty. Maybe we'll do on this side. I really like that watercolor effect. So then you're just going to bring these in like this, and your envelope is pretty much all done. You just have to glue it down. So I just add glue to these two flaps right at the edge, right there, and then right there. And then you just put that down, and your envelope is all done. It's super cute. Look at the front. So pretty. Looks like it's lined on the inside, and then it fits your card perfectly. So here's our card. So see how it fits perfectly? And there we go. So now we have all our cards and all our envelopes all finished. So depending on if you're going to sell these at your craft fair or just give them to like a crafty friend, I've got these clear bags right here from clearbags.com, and if I was going to be selling these like on my Etsy shop or at a craft fair, I would go ahead and close the envelope like this. So then I take my card, stuck it on the front, and then stick it in here in the clear bag. And then the envelope will show through the back. just close it up like this. And now you've got yourself a beautiful handmade card. You can sell at your craft fair, and it's nice and protected in the clear bag. I'll link these ones below. These ones are a little bit big. They're wide. I'll link a better size clear bag below, and then I'll also put my coupon code down there so you can get 10% off. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I had so much fun making these cards and envelopes, and I'm going to be coming out with another video next showing you how I use the rest of this scrapbook collection, She's Magic, by Dear Lizzie, and I hope that you will join me for that video. Thank you so much again for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!